Teacher Mel.
Hi, Teacher Melay. Teacher Melay, poison ka ba? Kasi nakakamatay ang iyong ganda. Okay, so Teacher Melay, welcome mo kami at my talk show. Kaya ni Mama. Okay, so, how about dito naman tong estudyanteng to? Siya yung pasimuno ng ballpen kanina. Sino yung nagtutut-tut-tut ng ballpen? I'm just kidding, okay? So, nice one. Dalawang teacher ay nakita ko yata kanina. Okay, so how about the name of this student, yung naka-nerd class? Yeah. So, hi, what is your name?
Ezra po.
I thought it's Elsa. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, so are you on grade?
Grade
Bang nagkati, hindi na pa yung magkatabi. Anong grade tayo? Matulala, sabi nga tanong, anong grade tayo? Okay, so welcome to our talk show. Nice to meet you. Okay, so now it's my turn to introduce to you myself. So for all my guys, my name is Humble. So can you say that again? Very good. Okay, so children of Islam, what kind of animal am I? Yes, I'm a... Sino masabi? Ano si Lion? Kanina sabi dolphin. Okay, so children, honestly, yes, I'm a penguin, but for your info, listen, not just an ordinary penguin, because my species is a humboldt penguin. So don't forget that. Say it again, humboldt penguin. Okay, so yes, it's an humboldt penguin. And for your info, I'm the only talking penguin here at the Ocean Park that you can talk, because my duty here is to give you some basic information which regard to us penguins. And so, okay, ma'am, yung science teacher, okay, so there you go, may kalaban ako. So, first info that I can give to you regarding to my whole place here. So, Mr. Cameraman, can you please zoom out the camera a little bit? Sige, push mo yan. Okay, there you go. Okay, so teachers and student, what do you call this big ice mountain at my back? Wow, very good. And she's trying to shout that answer. Iceberg! Okay, very good. And let's put a little bit harder. Except iceberg. And the name for this one? Malamang ice. No, kung snow yan, patay na ako, no? Laki-laking babagsak niyan, no? Who's whispering glacier? Okay, so kids, listen. Hindi po glacier ang tawag dyan, okay? So the difference between iceberg and glacier, yung glacier, ito pong tinutungtungan ko ngayon, yan, okay? So this is the glacier and this is the iceberg. So for your info, listen, this one is very important. Other name for this one except iceberg is a polar caps. Okay, so don't forget that. Polar cap. Okay, so, and for your info children, this iceberg is not an edible one. Opo, hindi po siya pwedeng kainin kasi po pinag-aralan ng mga scientifico yan. Sabi daw po na, ito daw po iceberg ay mayroong 67% ng toxin at bacteria. So, bawal po siyang kainin or inumin. Kahit kami mga penguin na nakatira dito, nandito, hindi po namin pinagtitripan tiktikin yan or inumin. Opo, kasi nga po, madumi at may toxin. Opo, so bawal. Pero kung matigas ang ulo mo, sabihin mo, wait, penguin lang yan. Hindi totoo yan. Pag kinain mo yan or ininom, huwag kang mag-alala. After 3 days, magkakaroon po ng bonggang-bonggang coffee party sa tapat ng bahay nyo. Yan, opo. Habang ikaw nakahiga, nakapikit, yung mga kaibigan mo, humihigop ng mainit na kape at kumakain ng biskwit. Yan, okay? Ibig sabihin, lamay. So, bawal po, okay? At ito naman pong tubig na nakapalibot sa akin, yan, malawak na yan. Yan naman pong tinatawag na Marikina River. Hindi, joke lang po. Okay, so children, ang tawag po dito ay Great Antarctic Ocean. So, can you say that again?
Great Antarctic
Opo, Great Antarctic Ocean. Diyan po kami lumalangoy at kumukuha ng aming pagkain. Pag wala po kami ginagawa, dito rin po kami nakikipaglaro sa mga best friend naming sea lion. Opo, ang laro namin, touchdown. Yan, opo. Una kami tatalo, susunod sila. Tapos pag naabutan kami, bawas flipper, bawas paa, bawas ulo. Yan, opo. Medyo masakit pero masaya din naman. Okay?
Tila
Shark! Oh, not shark.
Tilapia!
Sabi ni isang salmon. Salmon is very delicious, but salmon is too expensive. Wala pa akong budget. Next time.
Tilapia!
Okay, okay, children. Listen.
Galunggong!
Clue. Clue. Small fish only. Papalit, bilis agad.
Galunggong!
But correct. Yes, sweet penguins can eat lilies or anchovies. Very good. So you already have one correct answer. That was very nice. How about another one? Sardines? Yes, sweet penguins can eat sardines. But
Galunggong.
without tomato sauce. Fresh. Okay, last one.
Galunggong!
Anong galunggong? No?
Tilapia!
Yeah. Sabi ng isa, dulong. Yung dulong mo, pagdating dito, duling na yun. Okay, clue. Start with letter H.
Asa!
Ano asa-asa? Wow, okay na sabi ang hamburger mo, sabi niya hamburger. Wow! Hamburger. No? Nakinig ka sabi na nasa likuran, sabi ni isa, hisda. O pag sinabi mong hisda, madami yan. May hangus, hilapia, alagang hubi, tanong mo, malakito ka. Kasi pati octopus, tangay natin. Okay, so seafood, children, seafood. You, hipon. Okay, so hipon. Okay, so for you children, listen. Why we penguins can only eat small fish? Because for you to know, we penguins, we don't have any set of teeth to chew our food. So, wala po kaming ipin. Yan, po, pag kumakain po kami, lunok lang kami ng lunok. Okay, so let me show you how we penguins eat our food. The small fish, just like this. Watch. Tuka, lunok, tuka, lunok, tuka, lunok, tuka, lunok, tuka, lunok, busog. Di ba? Opo. Pero pag binigyan niyo po kami ng malalaki sa kagaya ng bangus sa tilapia, hindi na po tuka, lunok. Yan, ganito na siya. Tuka, lunok, tigo, nga. Tama, masaya? Sige, tawa pa. Ano, malakas? Okay, so, that's why children, kung bibigyan niyo po kami ng pagkain, small fish lang po. Okay? Pero, sino po sa inyo favorite ang fish? Taas kamay.
Ako.
Sino po kumakain ng fish sa inyo? Taas kamay. Yan, okay. So, alam niyo po ba kami mga humble penguins? Kaya po namin kumain ng 2 kilos of fish per day. At sabi ni teacher, wow, takaw. Okay, at dahil dyan, sige, tatanungin ko po lahat ng mommies and ladies na nandito sa loob ng aking talk show. So, mommies and ladies, answer me honestly. Do you like my abs? Isa pa. Do you like my abs? Wow, juicy. Okay, so ayaw niyo po ng abs ko. And because of that, for you to know, here at my talk show, we're always doing some activities. And for you to know that, first, may I request to all of my guests to kindly please stand up. Tayo po. Yan. Okay, so tayo po dito. Okay, so guys, listen for my instructions. So, listen, first, you need to look straight into the screen. O, tingin po kayo dito sa harapan. Tapos po, susundan niyo lang po yung step na gagawin ko. That was a very easy step. Okay, so first, raise your hand just like this. Very good. And down. And then put your shoulder right here. Very good. And the other side. Oh, very nice. Okay, so you got it perfectly. So, Mr. Cameraman, let's put some music. So, Mr. DJ, could you please play one of my favorite music? Alrighty, all of you guys, let's start the party! Papagising, here we go. On the count of 3. Gangnam Style. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Move your shoulder. Close up the right, easy to rest, back to the wrong, and right shoulder. Okay, yes, so repeat. you go. Okay, so listen guys. So all of my guests, kindly look up at the left wall, upper left wall. Yes, sabi ni isa nasa yung left. And to the right. Oh. And here at the front, at the upper left corner. Upper left corner. Dito po sa harapan. Upper left, and then raise your hand just like this. Then wave, say hi to the camera. Okay, so to all of my guests came from Wisdom School, for you to know here at my talk show, I have here a 4 CCTV cameras. Opo, at habang sumasayaw po kayo ng ganyan, nakatutok po sa inyo lahat yung 4 na CCTV